Hi everyone, this is Anna with scrappingstampingandstuff.com. If you are joining me on Facebook Live, this is our take 2. I have been having internet problems, so we're going to try this again. But this is what we were making today. It is this really cute card. It says kindness is always in style with the high heel shoe and little purses in the background. And I made this using our Dress to Impress stamp set and All Dressed Up, I believe they're called, die set, which coordinates. So let's look at these real quick first. The stamp set is really cute. It's got the lipstick shoe, a perfume bottle, some really pretty flowers. Love these swooshes. If you are not into coloring in the shoe, the perfume bottle, the lipstick, or other things, you have in other stamp sets. These little swooshes are kind of nice just to stamp over top and you don't have to do any coloring. And then they have really nice greetings. Kindness is always in style. Life is short. Buy the shoes. Hello, fabulous. Be as bold as your lipstick. So that's the stamp set, and then the die set coordinates. So there are dies that cut out the flowers, the shoe, lipstick, perfume bottle, and this really cute purse die. I'll show you. You can make a little handbag, purse, backpack. Depending on how you put these together, you can make them look a few different ways. So these are really cool. You can make these with this set as well. And I'll go ahead and show you the paper pack that I used. We are going to use this print on the card that we're making now. I used the purse on the first one. But the Best Dressed paper pack has a lot of prints with the perfume bottles, the shoes, the purses, a lot of stripes, some polka dots, but then it also has a bunch of florals, and the florals are absolutely beautiful. So I'll just flip through here a little bit. There's the one I used on that purse. So these are just really pretty fun colors. And if you haven't heard yet, I've got my little helper here in the background.
Hey.
Hey, she is home during quarantine time.
Hellman homeschool.
We're having Hellman homeschool, and you know, we are just keeping on. I hope the rest of you are too, and that everything is okay where you're at, that you're healthy and home and staying away from this crazy virus that
Corona time.
Kelsey, yeah, you like to joke about it, huh?
Yeah.
So we are just leaving that at what it is. I figure the kids joking about it is better than the alternative. So, here we go. I've got a white card base. I already stuck my designer paper onto it. My designer paper measures 4 by 5 and 4¼ by 5½. This is some of our Rococo Rose ribbon that I am going to tie around here. On my first card, I used... This is some Old Olive and Pretty Peacock reversible ribbon that is really pretty. But I wanted to show you a different, on this one I used the shoe. I wanted to use the lipstick on this one, show you a little bit different example. So I'm going to tie this ribbon on first. Woody. Somebody wants a snack.
Peach, mommy.
If you, after we're done, sweetie.
Oh, man.
For those of you in my Facebook group, I am going to be doing one of these lives most days at 1 o'clock. And those of you watching on YouTube, I will be uploading a new video to YouTube most days as well. I am going to do my best to keep you with ideas flowing and crafting during this time where so many of you are at home and looking for things to do and stay positive with. I think stamping seems like a really good thing to do right now, and then you can send the cards out that you're making to all those people that you cannot see right now. So on this one, I stamped Be As Bold As Your Lipstick. I used Blushing Bride ink on this one. That's what color cardstock this is. This is our Pretty Peacock cardstock and ink, just so that you know. Stick that on here. And I am going to color this with an aqua painter. This is one of my favorite stamping tools. And I'm going to use, I already used some Blushing Bride ink right there. For the rest of this, I am going to use some basic gray. And I'm going to make it really light up in this area, just to add a little bit of color. And then I'll make it a little bit darker down here. So if you haven't used an aqua painter before, these things are fantastic. It's like watercoloring, but your water is already in the pen. So all you have to do is pick up a little bit of ink and start painting. Kelsey, do you love aqua painters?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, she does. All right, so there is our lipstick. And we will stick this on. Kelsey, do you want to put some dimensionals on the back there?
Yeah.
Okay. You do that. As soon as she does that, we will add a few. These are our Noble Peacock rhinestones, which I have been using quite a bit. I love the color selection in these. It seems like a lot of the colors in them are colors that I use on a lot of my cards. So we're going to use some of those pink ones. As soon as Kelsey gets our lipstick ready.
Yeah.
Well, this isn't level and it's going to drive me crazy. There we go. Got it fixed. It's straight now.
Can't get this off.
Are you ready? Is it a struggle today?
Yeah, I thought I got this one off.
Why are you talking like this?
Oh, I got that one.
You ready? Yeah. Okay. So we're going to stick this over here. And we'll just add a few of these pretty rhinestones.
I love rhinestones.
You love rhinestones. Me too. Where do I want to put these?
Maybe right there. And then right there and there.
Put one there. One over here. You could add more, of course, if you like lots of bling, but we'll just go with 3. So there you go. 2 pretty and cute cards made with our Dressed to Impress stamp set and the coordinating dies. So thanks for joining in, everyone. Have fun. And like I said, I'll see you back here on Facebook Live most days at 1 o'clock. Have a good day.